Today we're going to look at how to create an RSS feed in Angel. So the first thing we're going to do is add content and go over to course syndication folder, and you can look for the little RSS icon, and it says it's created used to create RSS aggregators in podcasting. So we're going to click OK, and I'm going to call this one Week 1 Video RSS Feeds, and save that. And now you're brought to this folder. Now inside this folder, this week 1 RSS feeds, is going to, whatever you put in there, that is what gets pushed out to students via an RSS reader, and we're going to look at that in a second. So what I need to do now is I need to choose an RSS reader first. So I click this, and it's now going to ask me, and this will be in any browser. I'm in Chrome right now, but any browser is going to ask you this. It might look a little different. What do you want to use to view this RSS feed? Think of it as you're subscribing to a newspaper, you're subscribing to a website. So I'm going to use this RSS feed reader. I really like this for Chrome, so I'm going to choose this. If I hadn't already had it loaded, it's over here, it would show up over here and I would add it. So now I'm just going to choose, this is what I want to use to read this. It takes me to the RSS feed reader site, and it's asking me to, do I want to add this? Yes, I do. It shows it right here, and there's the name of the folder, right? Because we just named that. So I can close that, and again, there's the name of that folder right there. And if I go to this little icon, you'll notice there's the name of the folder again. There's nothing there saying there's a file loaded, because we haven't loaded one yet. So now let's go ahead and actually add content to this RSS feed folder. And that content will get pushed to the reader. So if I hit add content, you could load a page, a link, or a file. I'm going to load a file, and I'm going to choose a video. And this is adding video to Angel. I'm just going to leave that, hit upload. Now this file is about 11 meg, so it takes a little bit, a few seconds here, and then it'll be uploaded to Angel. And then we'll take a look at how the RSS feeder reader itself works. Now if we hit OK, we're taken back here. Now I'm going to jump all the way back to learning modules really quick. If we come down here, week 1 video RSS feeds. If I click on that, or a student clicks on that, anything in this folder gets pushed to their reader. Now if we look up here, there hasn't been notification yet, but pretty soon, oh, there it goes. It is saying one new file has been loaded to this folder, and we just did it. And if I click on that, it shows it again, one file. If I click on the folder itself, it's showing adding Angel video to Angel. It's right here, right? Adding video to Angel, same thing. If I click on that and then click on the actual video, what it will do is it doesn't even open it in Angel. It opens it outside of Angel. And I turn that off, the volume, and then the student can play this video using this RSS reader from anywhere. And they don't have to be an Angel. The really great thing about using an RSS feed, I'm just going to close this, is that this pushes information to them quickly. They don't have to be checking Angel. They can have this RSS feed reader loaded on their browsers, which comes standard with most of them, or you can choose a different one. Or of course, this is going to ask you which one you want to use, whether you're in Chrome or Safari or Firefox. And whatever you put there, be it a file or audio or video or a link or just a Word document or PDF, it'll get pushed to your students, and you saw it took maybe 30 seconds. So that's how you as the teacher set these up. In the next video, we'll take a look at how the student can access them. It's virtually the same, but I'd like to show it in the student view so you can get an idea of how your students see this if they have questions for you.